Okay, I'm here. We're back again with another video.
So you want to show?
Today, a cat habitat. It's perfect.
Hey guys.
Hey, don't do that on my video. So, what you'll need...
So we have a cat right here.
Yep.
I'm going to get in.
And we have another...
Move,
You
move.
can't. Hold on. I'm just showing you. Okay.
What? Do you want to take
what you
the
need
camera?
is you need
A hamper.
one of these little hamper things, a piece of wood from my desk because we didn't want to do that, and then you need like a little painting to put here. And if you have this size walk-in closet,
Want to take the camera?
then okay, I'll take the camera. And then it was dark in here. Somebody go get a flashlight. Go get a flashlight from your room, please. And we have this little mouse
I don't have one.
hanging from a string.
Yeah,
So
there's
it's
a
like
flashlight in there somewhere.
playing. So it'll like go side to side and they'll play with it.
Is it the
Then, yeah. Dude, come on.
Oh.
Who cares? Just get out. Yes, give me that. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So, there. It's not actually on the camera. I don't know why. It's just dark, but hold on. Let me do something. I'll be right back. Is that better? Right there is the little hanging mouse
Can you push it?
from string. Then over here
Okay, you push it.
is the little canister. Then the hamper,
Okay.
piece of wood, if I get out. And then right here is a little ramp. Then a Lego bin. And then up here is one of the cats, Chloe, and Ava.
And one's in the hamper.
And then, yeah, and the other one's in here. Hold on, I'll show you him after. But that's Chloe. Then over, so you just need one of these, and then you move all the movies to the side, and then bam, ramp, they can get up there. Ava, get out, I need the space.
We can only do it for 2 minutes and 44 seconds.
I know, move.
Okay, guys.
Okay, so down here is Charlie. He's just hanging out in here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's just hanging.
So that's how you make it. See ya. Bye.